Hey, welcome back. Today we will learn about arithmetic operators. Now when I say arithmetic operations, I want you to go back and think of basic math operations. Operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Simple, aren't they? In fact, we use these operations daily in our day-to-day lives. But what if I ask you to write a Python program to add two numbers, say 5 and 3, and print the output? Well, mathematically, this is how you would have thought about it. 5 plus 3 equals 8, the answer is 8. Now let's turn this into a Python program. You learned that variables are like labeled boxes that store data in them. Let's say I perform the operation 5 plus 3 and store the value in a variable. And let's call this variable result. In code, you can write it like this. Perfect. This line of code calculates the value of 5 plus 3 and stores it in a variable called result. Now we will print the result using the print command. Perfect. If you run this program, it will print 8 on the screen. Similar to addition, you can also perform operations like subtraction, multiplication, and division. Well, that was easy. So you learned operations in Python are just like those from basic math. Let's look at the division operator. This is an interesting one when it comes to code. You must have observed in our last example, when you divide 5 by 3 using the division operator, the output is a decimal number. That is a float data type. If you want the result to be an integer, use the integer division operator, which is by using double slash. The result of this operation will be 1 instead of 1.66667. Another interesting operator is the modulo operator. It is used to find the remainder when you divide two numbers. When you divide 5 by 3, the quotient is 1 and the remainder is 2. That's all for the introduction to arithmetic operators. We will learn more about operators in Python in the coming lessons. Happy coding!